Top 5 iPhones under Rs 50,000 on Amazon. Which one should you buy? Looking to join the iPhone club without emptying your wallet? You're in luck! Today, we're breaking down the 5 best iPhones under Rs 50,000 on Amazon India. Let's go! Who says you can't go premium under Rs 50K? The iPhone 16 offers flagship specs like a 6.1-inch OLED display, 48 MP fusion camera, and the ultra-powerful A18 Bionic chip, yours for just Rs 4880 with offers. At Rs 4199 or less with bank offers, the iPhone 13 rocks the A15 Bionic chip paired with vibrant dual 12MP cameras, perfect for gamers and shutterbugs. Fan of smaller phones? The SE gives you a 4.7-inch Retina display and flagship-level A15 power under Rs 50K. Reliable and stylish, the iPhone 11 pairs dual 12MP cameras with the trusty A13 Bionic chip. Solid choice for Rs 50K or less. Perfect for everyday use, the iPhone XR delivers a 6.1-inch display and A12 Bionic performance at an unbeatable price under Rs 50K. Don't wait, grab your favorite today and level up your tech game.